Good morning, everyone. Class, today we are going to start with your next exercise that is related to the sum of AP. Now, class, you see this formula very carefully. This formula is totally used, or it is based on again the three things, that is N, D, and A. So, these three things, if we know, we can implement this formula. So class, this is something, suppose there is a AP 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. I want to get the sum of these terms. Then here A is equals to 1, D is equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2, and you can say the number of term is 4, 1 2 3 4. So class, if we implement this formula, then we will get the sum of these AP 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Similarly, we know the last term. If we know the last term, first term, and n, we can implement this formula. So class, let's proceed. And this last term is also known as, is also denoted by L. So class, this is one thing. Now class, we will proceed with the exercise. So class, this first question on this exercise is, find the sum of the APs. This is an AP, you can make out that 2 is the first term, 7 is the second term, and 12 is the third term. So in this, and this is n, we have to sum up to 10 terms. So what we have A, we have D, we have n. So this is enough to solve this. A is equals to 2, D is equals to 7 minus 2, and n is equals to 10. After that we can implement that formula. So class, let's proceed. This first part, A is equals to 2, D is equals to 7 minus 2, and n is equals to 10. After implementing this formula, substituting the value, you will get the answer. Class, one thing to remember, we cannot cut this 2 with this 2 because it is within the bracket, and in bracket there are two terms which is under plus. If it is under multiplication, then only we can do that. So class, this small mistake I have seen in your notebooks many times. So this you will not do. First of all, solve the bracket, then solve the whole terms. That's all class. Next part that I have taken is of negative terms. So in negative terms, A is equals to this minus 37, A2 is equals to this, so we can determine D. And see, they also use the bracket whenever minus sign comes. So class, this is very important to know when to implement the brackets. So after that, n is equals to 12, as 12 terms are needed. Now what we will do, we will go with the same formula, this one, and we will substitute the value. So it is coming minus 180. So class, there is a question, sum can come negative or not. So class, it is definitely can come negative. Suppose I want to add minus 1, I want to add minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, then the sum will definitely will come negative 10. So class, it can be negative also, n cannot be negative. Only with the n is there is because that is the number of terms. We cannot say we have minus 10 terms. We have to say 10 terms we are having. That's why. Now class, I have taken one more example. This is in reciprocal, so we find generally difficult in reciprocals, or you can say in fractions. So class, in this, A is 15, that is the first term. D we can find out by solving this and this. So this is minus 1 upon 60, and n we are having, this term is n, so n we are having. So finally we can implement the formula A N D. Now they have solved. Again the solving, on solving we are getting plus 33 upon 20. So class, this is the way you will do. Now moving to the next. In next question, n is not given, a is given, d we can find out by solving these two, and an is given. So in this question, first of all we have to determine n, because a we are having, d we are having, but we are not having this, but an we are having. So using the formula an1 formula, we can determine the value of this n. So the same they have done. See the solution. A is this last term, that is an is equals to 84. D they have determined here, and they have put the formula of an. They have written L, but an and L is the same thing, so don't get confused by this. Now solving here, what they have got? They have got n is equals to 23. Now n is equals to is 23. Now they have used the second formula. Second formula directly be implemented, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus an, that is L. So on solving we are getting this much as an answer. Now class, next question is again of the same question, next part. See this, a is clearly a -5, last term, that is an is this much, d we can find out this minus this, again they have used the bracket, see the use of bracket, and finally they have implemented the formula of an formula, that is a plus n minus 1 d, previous exercise formula. After implementing the formula, they have got the value of n. Now nothing more is needed, simply we can implement the formula and we can get the value of an. Now class, I hope you all are understanding. Class, wherever you face the problem, you can ask. Now class, third question, very important question. In this you will learn all the parts of the AP. If something is given and another things to determine, these are all 10. These all questions include different type of question. One thing is given and another thing we have to find out. So class, see the first part. In first part, a is given, an is given, d is given. So we will implement this formula to get the value of n. A we know, n we know, d we know, and n we know. Now then we can find out anything we want to find. So class, this is the first thing that you have to understand, that three parameters, that is a, d and n, we should know, and everything we can determine. So finally they have determined as 16, as the question is asked, Sn we have to find out and d we have to find out, so n we have to find out. So we have got everything. Now next question. In this question, a is given, an is given, Sn is given. If a and an is given, then we can use this formula to get the value of this n. Now we have got the value of n. If we have got the value of n, by using these two and n, we can determine d. Same they have done. They have got the value of d and question is solved. In question it is only asked what is the value of d. So class, you will try the rest of the parts, and wherever you will face the problem, see this video again and again if you are facing any problem. I have given almost all the solution in this video of these questions.